At the core of gymnastics are the basic positions. They can serve as simple conditioning exercises and at the same time form the foundation for more advanced skills. Let's take a look at some of the fundamental gymnastics positions. Straight stand or attention stance. Straddle stance or star. Point forward or front point. Point backward or back point. One leg stand or single leg stance, also balance on one leg. Side dodge. Front dodge. Back dodge. Forward lunge. Side lunge or lateral lunge. Half scale or low arabesque. Back scale or arabesque, also airplane. Forward lean or tabletop. Forward bend or forward fold. Supported squat. Balanced squat. Half squat or semi-squat. Cross-legged sit. Bent leg sit or hook sit. Tuck sit. Pike sit or straight sit. Active pike sit. V sit. Straddle sit. Kneeling sit or seiza. Back leg kneel sit or kneeling sit with back leg extended. Seated half split or kneeling, sit with front leg extended. Tall kneel. Straddle kneel. Half kneel. All fours or quadruped position. All fours with one leg extended. Half split. Side support kneel. Front support or high plank, also push-up position. Side support. Back support or reverse plank. Back bend or bridge. Plank. Cobra pose or seal stretch. Prone position. Side lying. Supine position. Inverted pike or plow pose. Shoulder stand or candlestick. Hollow body hold. Side hollow hold or lateral hollow hold. Arch hold or reverse hollow, also Superman. Back support with elevated legs. Front support with elevated legs. Inclined front support. Hanging stance. Supported hang or assisted hang. Passive hang. Active hang. Pigeon pose. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Frog pose. Child's pose. L sit.